Whoa.
You just got it?
Instant. Holy shit.
Dude, you just got him in the head, look.
Lucas, don't touch the cicadas.
Don't touch the cicadas, Lucas.
Okay, once cicadas dead.
That thing had no chance.
Stop! Lucas! I'm just looking at them. You get it?
Put 2 in there.
Two?